Hey team, so we've done great things. We have our website. We can keep somebody's attention for 5 seconds, for 30 seconds. We've defined our value proposition. And we've kind of got people on our site and they're excited and they want to do something. That's awesome. What this process is really called, though, just to make sure we all understand kind of this digital marketing framework here, we're trying to make a sales funnel, right? We know that on the Internet of Things, there are a lot of websites competing for people's attention. There are a lot of things on that smartphone or computer competing for attention. So, what we're trying to do is get people to our site and get as many as possible, which is why we're going to produce content. We're going to try to rank for keywords. We're going to try to provide value to customers. That way, Google will say, hey, this is a really valuable website, and they'll bring people to us from a lot of different walks of life for a lot of different terms. And what that does is that gives us a lot of people to enter our sales funnel. So once people are aware that we exist, the next thing we have to do is try to convert them into a lead. So they hit the website, we spend that first 5 seconds trying to inform them. Then we groom them a little bit in that 30 seconds, and we're trying to get them to become a lead after some time in that 30 seconds, right? So we want those call to actions. We want the shopping carts. We want the contact forms. We're trying to get information. We're trying to sell a product or a service. We're trying to establish our authority right away so that as we go, we've got this large section where people are aware and we funnel it down and funnel it down. And the less that we funnel, the better, because that means the people coming to our site are converting. So we don't want the funnel to be too skinny. But what we're trying to do is make sure that people can get somewhere, right? Because if there's no call to action, then people came to our site, they're aware we have a site, but they're not aware of our products. We're not cultivating them as leads. We're not making potential sales, right? So we've got to keep this sales funnel idea in mind. It's kind of like making this web of pages where we want people to be able to come to our website from as many possible directions as we can so that they're aware. And then we need to make pages for specifically what people are asking, right? So if you have a service in a local area, then you need to have a page for that service in that local area. If you have 5 services, you need a page for each of those 5 services for each area that you service so that you're answering exactly the question. You're providing the exact service that the person searching for that service is looking for, right? And that'll make it so that they convert into a lead. So it's not always as simple as, hey, I want a website, let me just make this homepage. Well, okay, I guess an About Us page and a Contact Us page. Okay, those are all good pages, right? But we need to make these specific pages to answer the questions and provide value to our customers that they need based off what they're looking for. Hopefully that makes sense, and that's really where we're going to go as we try to get our customers get through that 5 to 30 seconds and make sure we're funneling them towards a conversion for your business.